Hey y'all, today we're going to be learning how to install Zoom on your smartphone, iPad, or other mobile device. First, we're going to go to either the Play Store or the App Store, depending on your device. Okay, then we're going to type in Zoom, Z-O-O-M, and search. All right, it should be the one called Zoom Cloud Meetings. All right, Zoom Cloud Meetings, and it will be free. So go ahead and get that or download that. When you have it all downloaded, okay, the app should look like this on your screen, and you will open it. It should look just like this. And at this point, there are a couple of ways of joining the meeting. Either you can click Join a Meeting on the main screen, or you can click Sign Up. All right, if you click Sign Up, it's going to take you to a screen where it'll ask for your birthday, and then it'll ask you to create an account, which just asks for your name, your primary email, and then a password. All right, or you could just click Join a Meeting on that main screen, okay? So if you join a meeting, right from that main screen, you're gonna need a meeting ID and a password, which your meeting provider should have sent to you, or they sent you a meeting link. Either one of those should get you in. So once you click Join a Meeting, all right, you'll have your name here, all right, and then you'll have your meeting ID, and it should be, about 11 characters, okay, and then you'll put that in, and make sure you don't have either of these, don't connect to audio or turn off my video. Make sure those are both off so that people can see and hear you once you get in, okay? If once you're in the meeting, you find that people can't see or hear you, swipe to the left and enable your microphone and or camera. It'll probably ask you a question like, do you want to enable? And you'll click enable or join with internet audio or something like that. Okay, so that should be it.